Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. I got this in the mail and I am so excited. It's the Kanken mini backpack in Ox Red. I am so excited. I've been wanting this for so long and it's finally here. It took me about probably a week to get here. I ordered it during New Year's time, but I finally got it here today. Okay, now I'm gonna jump into the video. Let's see. Oh my gosh, this glue is kind of hard. I'm super excited. I've been wanting this forever. It's so cute. Yo. This wrapper is really hard to open. Okay. My backpack's finally here. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. So this is what it looks like. I got it in Ox Red. I'm so happy. I'm going to be using this as a purse because I don't really carry purses around. I think this would be really cute, and then to put little pins on it and like keychains and stuff, I think that would really be cute to personalize your little backpack. I'm so excited. The texture, I don't know how to say it, it's different. Supposedly it is waterproof, so I'm really excited about that. I've searched how to do the straps. The straps looked really confusing, so I'm gonna look up a video on how to adjust the straps. Probably just gonna open it up. This is actually a really pretty color. This is actually a really pretty color. I've been wanting one for so long, and I couldn't choose which color to get because there's so many colors. And I just decided to go with the Ox Red because I feel like it would match with a lot of stuff that I wear, because I usually wear like a lot of dark colors or black and stuff like that. So I think that would be cool. I'm just gonna open it up here real quick just so you can see. It's just like that. And it has this little cushion in the back. It says seat pad. The seat pad is stored inside the back pocket. Keeps contents from pressing against the back while also making sure for a comfortable rest is never far away. I'm probably just gonna leave this in here. It's basically just like a little foam piece. I really don't want to take it out right now, but yeah, that's basically what that is. This is so cool. I am so happy it got here, and I am so happy in the decision of the color I made. I wanted to make this video because I know there wasn't a lot of reviews on the Ox Red color, and yeah, this is pretty much what it looks like. It is beautiful. I love it so much. I'm going to be using this like every day now. I love it. Oh, this pocket's so tiny. Oh, it comes with little papers in here. This pocket's so tiny, it's kind of hard to take it out. Okay. So this is basically, I guess, all the different type of models of the Kanken backpacks that they have. And the different stuff. Oh cool, this one has how to do the straps. Cool, I need that. I dropped my paper. This is so freaking cute, guys. Like, it is adorable. Like, if you're wanting to get it, go buy it. It is worth the money. I know it's a little bit on the pricey side, but I got Christmas money, so this is what I bought with it. And honestly, I love it. So far, I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.